thrilled that the denials are stopping, that tenants can know, at least for now, that they're not going to receive another unfair denial or not know why they were denied.
Now at 9, a judge's order to ensure struggling families have a place to call home. A Bay Area judge says the California Department of Housing and Community Development stopped denying applications for COVID-19 rent relief money while its denials are under review. Thanks for joining us, everybody. I'm Vicki Leviakis.
And I'm Catherine Heenan in for Grant Lotus tonight. The judge's order comes after tenant advocate groups sued the state. They claim that it wrongly denied tens of thousands of applications. KRON 4's Taylor Bisacky has more from one of the attorneys representing tenants.
We're hoping that what this lawsuit eventually results in is that tenants can know why they were denied so that they can fix it.
Jackie Zuneri, senior attorney with Alliance of Californians for Community Empowerment, represents thousands of tenants in a lawsuit against the state. They argue the state unfairly denied and withheld money from low-income renters who applied for COVID-19 rent relief money.
Our organization had been seeing a lot of denials that looked spurious. We'd been seeing tenants denied and they weren't told the reason they were being denied, or they were pretty sure that they were eligible, but they were still denied. We know that as of right now, about a third of all applicants to the program have been denied.
Alameda County Superior Court Judge Frank Roche ordered that the California Department of Housing and Community Development immediately stop denying requests for rental assistance, and any rejected applications issued in the last 30 days be put on pause until he holds a hearing to review the rental assistance program, its practices and appeals process.
In order to issue this order, the judge had to rule that there is a likelihood that the case will succeed, meaning that there is a likelihood that the state violated the due process right of thousands of tenants across the state.
While the program ended in March, Zuneri says thousands are still waiting for checks or application approval.
I think that everybody should check on their application and see where it is in the process. If they've been waiting to hear back, they can call the state hotline number.
I'm Taylor Bisacky reporting, KRON 4 News.